Welcome to today's video. If you've ever found yourself added to random WhatsApp groups without your permission, this new update is going to make your life a lot easier. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to manage who can add you to groups directly from WhatsApp Web on your PC. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your browser. You can log in by scanning the QR code on your screen with your phone. Once you're logged in, look toward the left side menu. There, you'll see a gear icon that's the settings button. Go ahead and click on it to open your main settings panel. Inside the settings menu, you'll find several options like general, chat wallpaper, and notifications. What we're looking for is privacy. Click on that and you'll be taken to a page where you can control who sees your personal information, like your profile photo and status. Next, scroll down until you see groups under the privacy section. Click on it. This is where the magic happens. From here, WhatsApp lets you choose who can add you to group chats. You'll notice three options: everyone, my contacts, and my contacts accept. To limit group invitations to only people you know, choose the second option. My contacts, this means only the people saved in your phone's contact list will have permission to add you to a WhatsApp group. Random numbers or unknown contacts won't be able to do it anymore. Once you've selected the option that works best for you, your settings will be saved automatically. You can close the settings panel and you're done. That's all it takes to take control of your group privacy on WhatsApp Web. With this simple tweak, you can avoid unwanted groups and keep your WhatsApp experience cleaner, more private, and truly under your control. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to leave a like and share it with someone who could use it too. Thanks for watching.